Hi guys, my name is Abdurrahman, and in this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download the financial report of your business from Paystack. Now to get started, first we log into the Paystack dashboard. Next you come to the menu panel here and click on Settings. Next you come to the tab options here and click on Preferences. Then you come right to the very bottom and click on Generate Financial Report. And this gives you a pop-up that allows you to instruct Paystack to generate a financial report for a custom period or to generate a financial report of all the transactions that your business has recorded right from day one. Now clicking here lets you set that preference. So say you want to download a financial report of all your transactions, you click on all time and then you click on generate report. But for this tutorial, we're going to generate a financial report for a custom period. So say we want a financial report of the entire business from the 1st of March 2018 to the 20th of March 2018. You come right here and key in the dates. So 1st of March 2018 and 20th of March 2018. When you're satisfied with all this, you click on the Generate Report button. A success message. So this is telling us that a financial report is going to be sent to our email, in this case abdurrahman@paystack.com, and then also giving you a heads up that depending on the size of your business, it might take a while for a financial report to be generated and sent to your email. Now, irrespective of the size of your business, it takes a maximum of 10 minutes for it to generate the report and send it to your email. Now, if for some reason a financial report is not sent to your email within 10 minutes, send an email to support@paystack.com and the anomaly will be resolved. Alright, thank you. That's everything you need to know on how to generate a financial report for your business on Paystack. Thanks for staying with me.